Hello there, just got done watching season 1, 2, and 3 of Resident Alien. This is about an alien who comes to Earth and tries to fit in with humans. The episodes are around the 45-minute mark. There's 3 seasons. The 3rd season is the shortest season. Probably would be considered mature TV 14, because there is language and some other adult topics and subjects that go on. The first season was, for me, kind of slow. It just kind of drags, that first season. By the end of the first season, though, it had actually got my interest. Probably about halfway through the first season, it started to pick up and get a little bit more interesting. Season 2 was phenomenal. I really liked season 2 a lot. Very entertaining. They really let you fall in love with the characters. Season 1, I just wasn't a big, really into the characters. But by season 2, I was really, I really cared about what happened to them. Season 3 kind of let me down. It got better. At the beginning of season 3, I feel like it was just a letdown. And I was like, all right, come on, can we wrap this thing up already? But by the end of it, it started to get a little bit more interesting. But it does seem like they will continue the story with how season 3 ended. But I don't know if I'll continue after what we've watched. With the episodes being around the 45-minute time, and that's a lot, especially with watching commercials. The first 2 seasons we watched on Netflix. When was the 3rd season at? Was it Hulu or what platform?
It's on Peacock.
Peacock is the 3rd season. 1, 2, and 3 are all on Peacock, but Netflix only has seasons 1 and 2 available. But yeah, with commercials, I would say unless you're really big into alien content, this is probably one that you could skip. If you don't have to watch commercials, I'd say give it a try. Yeah, what did you think?
Yeah, I liked it. Same as you. First season kind of slow, building the pilot and all that, or the plot, and and I liked season 2. Season 3 was a little rough at the beginning and then picked up at the ending.
Yeah, I think so.
So yeah, we'll be interested to see what the next season.
Well, like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. If we have commercials, I may not, just because it really breaks up the just the immersion you get from the show. So I don't know, I would recommend it to give a try, at least check it out if you have it available to watch without commercials. And like I said, season 1 and 2 is on Netflix. If you've seen Resident Alien, let me know what you thought of it. If I can find a link of any kind, I'll put it below. And if you haven't seen this series, do you typically like alien entertainment? For me, most of the time I don't, just because aliens kind of scare me a little bit. So I usually don't, I'm usually not going towards that type of content, but yeah, I'd say 3 out of 5 for me on the rating scale. But yeah, let me know if you like alien content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.